Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we have a challenge where we are going to look at a data which we have first name then a surname. Normally that's how we put our name, your first name then your second name's full. But we have a situation where this data has really been imported and we now want to change, or your supervisor says he wants you to change the name for the surname to start before, or the surname first, then the first name will follow. How will you do this? So we have these names here where we have first name, surname, first name, surname. Now your supervisor says that no, I want the surname first. How will you do this? This is how we will go about it. So first we will use the functions made, find, and lim to really solve this. So to do this, we start with an equal sign. We use the made function. Note that the formula is a little bit long, but please bear with me. Made, we select the cell which we are interested in. We use the ampersand, that's the join. We have the apostrophe, space, we close the apostrophe, we join, where we have the name, comma, then we introduce the find. What are we finding? We are interested in now finding the space. Apostrophe, close the apostrophe, comma, we are interested in where we have the cell. We close our find argument, plus 1, comma, we introduce our lim, the number of characters. We open, we select where we have our text. We close the parenthesis, also plus 1. Then we close our function for the mid. Then we enter. Voila, you can see that now the name has been changed. Now it starts with the last name, James Kwesi. If I drag this down, you can see. So you can see Fred Anefi now reading Anefi Fred. Cephas Anku now reading Anku Cephas. This is how smart you can use short formulas to really solve a difficult assignment given by your supervisor. And this also can be used in customer analytics, HR analytics. Thank you very much for following us and continue to follow us on ETH Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.